Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. We have our spring Margot Elena, so let's get into it and see what we've got. Margot Elena is one of those boxes that the second it hits my front porch, I'm like, I can't wait to get in there. I always love it. It is bath and body and perfume. Sometimes we have lifestyle treats. It always smells so good, but above and beyond that, it feels so good. If it's a body cream or a hand cream, you know that it's gonna leave you lotioned nicely. If it's a bath gel, it's just gonna clean you and rinse off nicely. I love how functional the products are on top of how good they smell. And also, how beautiful they are. These are some of the most beautiful bath and body products you're gonna see. Let's get into it. This box is one of those indulgences that I do for myself. It is $59.99 and I am not an affiliate with them. And you have shipping on top of that too, but you will have more than $200 in product. And you can go to her website and buy the product now. It's not like it's old stock or something she's just trying to get rid of. These are things that are active on the website that are just gorgeous. Happiness Blooms. It is box number 22 and it is spring 2023. And isn't it gorgeous already? We have our little card that will tell us what we have on the inside. Generally, it just gives us the name of what we have and its value. And when we open it up, I'm sure, as with each quarter, did I say it comes out monthly? If I did, it comes out quarterly. This is the spring box. I'm gonna move this a little bit so you can see. It is wrapped up beautifully. I'm so excited to see what that towel is. But a lot of the products, just to be sure they get to you safely, are wrapped like little gifts. It's just a treat. It was one of the first boxes that I introduced to the channel. I found it very early when I started doing unboxings, and I have enjoyed it so much ever since. We're gonna dig right in with this. This is the Happy Home Tea Towel. How gorgeous is this? 100% cotton. We're gonna look at it. It has an $18 value. And when we open it up, oh, it's huge. How gorgeous is this? You could use this on a table, like in the center to set like a Lazy Susan on, or to just hang off the corner. You could use this decoratively. That is gorgeous. And look, it's trimmed. It's all the pinks and oranges, but the trim is a gorgeous blue. Can you guys see how beautiful that is? This is absolutely stunning. And if you do use it for a towel, it has a loop so you can hang it to dry in the corner. This is stunning. I love this. It says Margot Elena, inspired goods for happy living, 100% cotton. I love it when we get gorgeous lifestyle products. I know some people who just want to get the lotions and the potions, but I love it when we get lifestyle products personally. Okay, $18 value. Next out, we have another lifestyle product sitting right on top. This is another one of those. It matches. Look, the trim on this matches. I mean, I'm a little extra, so this works for me. And it has a pretty gold handle. This is gorgeous. This says Happy Home Spatula, BPA-free head, heat resistant to 450 degrees, solid stainless steel handle, hand wash only, and it has a $20 value. Gorgeous, and I love that it matches the towel. Okay, next out, we'll take the one thing that seems not to be wrapped, and it is a Library of Flowers Willow and Water hand cream. Oh, but it's short. That is fun. Usually they're long and thin. This one is short and chunky. It is too. Look, when you open it up, isn't it it's just like opening a gift. Slides out, the box is gorgeous. And when we get it out, that is what it looks like. It is hand cream batch number FQ088, American Small Batch Perfumery, bottled by Margot Elena. But this is Library of Flowers. They have several brands. They have the Library of Flowers, they have Cottage Greenhouse, they have Alalia, they do Tokyo Milk. All of them have basically different scent families, I think is how you would best describe it. And what's my favorite? Maybe Tokyo Milk, because it tends to be a little darker, a little more seductive. But I like them all, don't let me kid you. But that is how pretty the box is. I mean, just everything she does, and see how it matches to the bottle, is stunning. This is sealed, and darn it. Remember last month I was taking credit for the fact that the cap was the kind that you could poke the metal with. I could use my knife to poke the metal in this, but I have a couple of hand creams going now, so I'm not gonna do that. But this has a $23 value. Here, let me get online and see if it tells us. Oh, I don't even have to get online. It's on the box. I was gonna say, I'll get online and see if it tells us what the notes are. The top note is cut greens, the middle is flowering lotus, and the bottom is watercress. Okay, next out, we start into our wrapped gifts. You know, it's branded Margot Elena. So fun. It's like opening Christmas presents. And then once we have the paper off of it, it's also in bubble wrap. This is our perfume. We have been getting, when I first got the box, we didn't always get perfumes, but we have been getting a really nice perfume almost each season. They're all so pretty. I actually thought about getting a shelf and putting it up somewhere and using it as decoration, like putting all of my beautiful Margot Elena bottles on it, because they don't all look the same. Like I think last month, was it last month that it was short but bigger and it was like etched? Gorgeous. This month it is one of the blue ones. It has a pretty ribbon around the top. Oh, it's honeycomb. I love her honey products. She does honey in the moon. That is one of my favorites. I got the bath gel and the body cream. I think we eventually got the perfume too. I'm gonna go ahead, because there may be other things in here we want to smell. I'm gonna go ahead and spray this paperwork. Oh, that's gorgeous. What'd I say? This is Library Flowers. Did I say Tokyo Milk was my favorite? This may be my favorite scent I have ever smelled from a Margot Elena box. That is stunning. It is light. It is kind of honey-like. Here, I am definitely going to get online and see if I can get the notes for you guys on this. The lid is really, it's really heavy. It's just a really, did you hear that? Such a quality piece. This is a $42 value, and it says the story of our eau de parfum, carefully crafted to create memorable journeys through sight and scent. We invite you into the Library of Flowers, where moments are captured in artful perfumes waiting to be released on a whim. The top note of this is sugared fig, the middle is ambrosia honey, and the bottom is royal bee blossom. I mean, does that not, that sounds like spring. It's gorgeous. Next out, this baby is big. If I was guessing, using my telepathic powers, I would probably guess body butter. Let's see if I'm right. Oh, I am definitely right. We're down to bubble wrap. I just love how it all comes so well protected. This is beautiful. This is Norlii, so it's another one of the brands, sub-brands, and it's lavender and honey. I think I might like honeyed things. Every time I get something with honey, I'm like over the moon about it. That is what it looks like. It is heavy. It is in a heavy glass jar. It's just, it says it's 5.5 ounces. If this doesn't weigh a pound and a half, 2 pounds, I'll eat my hat. I don't have a hat. I do have some bucket hats, but that's a story for another day. Let's get into this and see if it does smell like, oh, she's a perfect swirl, like lavender and honey. Oh, it's very light. I absolutely get the lavender. Like if you didn't like lavender, I wouldn't recommend this. But if you're like on the fence about lavender, this is just a really playful, light lavender that's kind of blended out with the honey. Here, let's just put, I took from the lid, just a skosh. We're gonna put it on my hand. I've had some things on my hand today. Oh, that's gorgeous. I am using actually one of the Norlii body creams right now. I can't tell you what it is. It's one of the florals. They're all florals. I'm gonna stop and start using this one. This one is just like the epitome of spring. That is beautiful. What did they say the value is? $42. I believe that, because that is gorgeous and heavy, and that is amazing. Next out, we have our cards. Each season we generally get 2 or 3 cards also, and these are so great because they're universal. You can use them for men, women. I've had a couple that I could use for kids. You can usually write on the inside whatever you would like to write, and you guys know I love to write, so it's something that I enjoy. This one says, let's get drinks, and it's a camel with a wine bottle on his back, and I don't know if you can tell, but the wine bottle and the strap, the bow, are both glittered. And this one says, really? You just ate an entire birthday cake? It's your day. Celebrate. That is what that looks like. That you would have to know who you were giving it to. There could be feelings hurt, but that is so cute. And the little pieces down here are glittered. Cards are always so cute, and it has an $11 value, so $5.50 a card, which if you're out there buying cards, you know is reasonable. Next out, we have a tube. I'm gonna guess shower gel. It is the Cottage Greenhouse Violet Fig and, oh, I was wrong. Violet Fig and Black Currant Fine Salt Scrub. I have had violet fig and black currant, I believe, in other products. I don't think I've ever had it in a salt scrub, and I'm here to tell you, this is heavy. It must be heavy on the salt scrub. It says it is 284 grams. It doesn't say how many ounces, but I'm gonna guess that that goes by volume, not by weight, because this is another heavy one. This could not have been cheap to ship. Our fruit-packed Spa to Go scrub has hydroscopic honey that holds moisture, luscious cocoa butter, and apricot kernel oil to help soothe and soften your skin, while nutrient-rich blueberry extract fights environmental stresses. Sea salt combines with the polishing power of passion fruit seeds to buff away sluggish surface cells and reveal your smooth skin for a happy, radiant glow. Well, yes, please. I need that. See if I can get, yep, I can. Just a little bit onto my hand because I'll be using this soon. I'm always in need of a scrub. Oh, it's, here, I'll show you. It's chunky salt. That's going to exfoliate you so well. Even if you have, like, if you get this box and you have super tender skin, this would be amazing on your feet. Oh, and it smells good. I guess that floral in it is the violet. Oh my goodness. I'm just scrubbing because the back of my hands are so rough. I should probably stop and do my other hand too, but I'll do it after. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. Yep, going down, using it immediately all over my body. I feel like Alexandria Ryan, kind of taking off the chunks of it with the tissue paper it came in. Now I'm going to move on to a face wipe, but you know, want to get the big chunks off. It exfoliated the back of my hand so well. I wish I could show you. I'm going to lift it just in case there's a chance. The difference between this hand and this hand. This is so soft and smooth. Oh my goodness. I cannot wait to do that to my whole body. What's the value on this? $28, and everybody got the cottage greenhouse, but the scents were assorted. All right, let's see what our last one. This is another tube. So, okay, now I'm gonna guess shower gel. Oh, this is pretty. I think I had this years ago when I first started getting the box, and I loved it. Also, by the way, did you notice it comes in a little bag with a little zip top so that if this had an accident, it would not then ruin your entire box? Love it. It is the Norlii Breathe Peony and White Lily Perfumed Shower Gel, and look how stunning she is. That is just gorgeous. Even the back, it's just so pretty. This is 8 fluid ounces, 236 ml. Oh yeah, I've had this scent before. This is so gorgeous. I tell you, this box is the epitome of spring. It is absolutely stunning and absolutely spring. And one of the things that I do say about this box, I love it. Hands down, love, 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 love it. If you do not enjoy florals, this is not the box for you. I just noticed both of my lights have gone out. This isn't the box for you. This is a very floral box generally. I think we had one, either our last one or the one before that, that I said this one is actually pretty good even if you don't care for florals, but generally speaking, this is a box of florals. This would be like a great gift if this doesn't speak to you, like for your mom. Again, not an affiliate. I just love it. Spring was happiness blooms. And in the box, we got our shower gel and our salt scrub. So we're gonna be good and cleaned up, nice and exfoliated. We got our tea towel and technically our matching spatula. Love both of these. You guys know, if you watch the channel, I love kitchen products. We have our 2 stationery cards that you can use however you'd like. The Library of Flowers Willow and Water Hand Cream. The Norlii Relax Lavender and Honey Body Cream. This is gorgeous. And the Library of Flowers Honeycomb Perfume. Also gorgeous. The back of my hand is so soft right now. I love it. Okay. I'm gonna show you this. This is my new thing, you guys know. I've been putting them back together pretty to show you guys. This was the Spring Margot Elena box. I will put the link down below for you. If you sign up for the subscription, it is $59.99 and you do pay shipping also, but you will have $200. Actually, let's see what it says. It says $200 or more in value. Usually they nail it. It's usually between $200 and $205 almost every season. This season it is $206 in value. So I said $200 to $205. They chose $206, just so I'd be wrong. Okay, I love this box. It makes me happy. It is always so pretty. It smells so good. I love it. Thank you so much for coming by. I appreciate you taking the time to be here. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and I hope I see you again really soon. Bye, guys.